we've got a mock-up here to show a way to install Euroshield roofing on a rounded turret. So you'll need to ice and water the full turret. We've got drip edge on here. And then as you can see, we have cut down the starter strips. So where those starter strips are typically 40 inches wide, these are about 16 inches wide. We have 2 sections right here. That way we can make the curve a lot better than trying to do a full 40-inch wide. Then we've nailed on the short starter strips and measured up to the top of where the starter strip should be, marked around the curve. And then we took a measurement to the top of a shingle and then made our curved line across for the first course of shingles, and then again for the second course, and you can continue your way up. Once you start with the shingles, you will need to cut them into individual slate or shake pieces. Instead of trying to use a full or a portion of a panel, you'll want to use the individual pieces. You can either, when you have a bigger radius, you can just cut it right at the keyway, but as you go up, or depending on your radius, it's also okay to cut that taper so that the shingle is cut back further than the keyway to taper it up. And then as you go, we're also going to glue in the shingles to the lock. So we're using some Solar Seal 900 to glue the lock into place. And then as with any product in any rounded turret, as you shingle higher and higher, you're gonna have to change that taper on the shingle in order for it to fit around the round. We've chalked lines or marked lines for each course so that as you come around that round with our locking product, it will still line up when you get back around to where you started. You're welcome to reach out to your rep or to our technical team, and we're happy to jump on a video conference and answer any questions that you might have regarding turrets. We've pre-cut some different tapers, and so Jimmy is just choosing which tapers give us a keyway, and it's okay that the keyways are also at a bit of a taper. It is important to glue those locks down into the groove, just because everything isn't going to line up as perfectly as if you were on a standard slope. So this just makes sure that those shingles will stay locked in place over time.